How is he preparing John for that future? He's learning programming, but he's not super excited about it. Yet Katie is super into coding her self-driving car. Programming that car has proven to be a great way for her to learn computer science and artificial intelligence while having fun at the same time. Thanks to Auto, she's working on concrete problems that build grit and spark her imagination, while using an industry-standard programming language, Python, which is hard to find in other products. Auto Labs provide you with several months of enjoyable programming, artificial intelligence, and other STEM instruction. Access to live online mentoring and webinars. Get ready for the future with Auto.